Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to uninstall applications from this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon and then select your AMAZFIT GTR 3 from the list of devices. Once you open the device page for your AMAZFIT GTR 3, find the option called App Store and tap on it. Then tap on the Mine category right here at the top. And here you have the list of installed apps. Find the button called More right here on the right side of the screen. Tap on it to open the whole category. And now we can tap on the delete button. Select the app we want to uninstall. Then tap on delete and tap on OK to confirm. And the app will be uninstalled from our watch. And now we can close the app. And that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.